What are you looking at? Get in that phone stabilizer. Watch the previous videos. We're going home. The job is done. The job is done. The job is done. The job is done. And got another job sometime, but I don't know when I want to do it. She wants me to chop off the top of a holly bush. That's gonna be a project. Yeah. So don't go on their property. They might call the police on me. So, anyways, let me get a little closer. A little closer. No, that's close enough. Margie Andaya! Woohoo! So, hey everyone, shout out to everyone who watches my videos, Fitness with Meg, and Diesel Wolf, and Rhow TV, Rhow TV, and The Happy Walker, and Margie Vlogs, MJ Adventures, Juleb's 5314, Wee, P-U-D, no, that's not right. P-U-C, no, forget it. What's up, dude? You need to get it like an easier name like Moses J-H, you know? And Jackers Edit. What's up, Jackers Edit? Yeah. And Klaus Visions. Junior Lennon, what's up, buddy? So, of course, Jasmine Channel. Ooh. So, anyways, heading home. I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know. Maybe I'll just relax. You know, get something to eat. Nope, car's not coming to get me. Don't worry. So, but I hope you watched the previous video because that was a good video. In my opinion, it was a good video. I think so. So, Wendy S. and Wendy A. and Wishes and Dreams. Who am I forgetting? Action Gal. Jamie Reynolds. Julie Jersey. Julie P. Rain! Whoa. Don't fall over now. The Rain's got that cool music, you know. We'll get the mail and then we'll head up. So, it's so weird not seeing my dad's truck there. My dad's truck couldn't start today. You got mail. No, I don't. I never get mail. I'm not so lucky to get mail. Dad's mail. Dad's mail. Mom's mail. Ooh, I got mail. But not the kind of mail I want. I want a female. Yeah. All right. Oh my goodness, check this out. I'm going to turn you around. You like clouds, right? Back it up, 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 back it up. See it? No? No. Okay, no. Careful. I'll drop the phone, man. Hi. So, I figured I would show you up there because you always like looking at the clouds, right? So, Somebody always has to get in the way, you know. So, there you go. You see it now? I thought that was cool. I know. It's just a nice little stroll. So, but anyways, if you like this video, please give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share, keep on stomping, and watch previous videos. So I figured since I showed you on the way up, I might as well show you the way back, because you might get lost because you don't know. Well, I don't know where you're going, so I figured, okay, well, I'll show you where I was going. I was going home. Same old thing, same old station, same old channel. That's where it's gonna be. So you're going back in the wheelbarrow. All right. Now we can head on back up. Squeeze me. Tell me something. Don't you hate it when you go put the radio on and all you want to hear is music, and you turn it on and all you hear is talk, 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 talk. It's like, I don't want to hear talking. You just want to hear some nice, cool music, right? Well, you gotta have commercials, so what you gonna do? What you gonna do when it comes for you? The commercials are gonna get you and you're gonna bore you to death and you're gonna be like, so that's it. If you like this video, drink your Gatorade. And then you're done. And you go, yay! And then your bottle stays there and doesn't roll away. All right, get out of the phone. Get out of the phone sterilizer. You're dusty. Clean you off. Wait. Not done yet. I told you I'm going to clean you off. Uh-oh. Houston, we have a problem. What is the problem? I can't get over here. Oh, here we are. Ding, 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 ding. See? You're filthy. Let me clean you off. Now you're all blue and clean. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next upload. Well, I don't know what it is. What is it? I don't know what it is. I don't know. What is it? Just make sure you watch the previous videos. Butterfly bird in the butterfly bush. Yeah. And don't forget your scary eyes. Oh!